to War India News Hour. Future of work is going to be hybrid and collaborative. Digital economy is triggered by the continued pandemic, bringing an unprecedented opportunity for the technology companies, and it brings the confluence of people, process and technology to reconstruct existing business models. COVID has proven instrumental in boosting the growth of the tech industry. Companies operating in the most demanding sectors like online education, payments, OTT and tech-enabled staffing service are among the tech honorees on the Business Journal's Fast 50 Startups lists. With the tech sector gaining traction, most tech companies are anticipated to increase headcount in 2021. COVID has undoubtedly magnified the demand for technology. Simultaneously, this increased demand of technology has given rise to a greater demand for tech-skilled resources. An average Indian is now presented with a multitude of opportunities to pursue a lucrative tech career. With India right in the midst of experiencing a deadly second wave of coronavirus, it has become clear that remote work is here to stay, and we should evaluate this time to evolve our hybrid workplaces to build capabilities for businesses to thrive. The hybrid workplace essentially gives employees and businesses the choice to explore further flexibility, encouraging them to work wherever they feel most comfortable or productive. It has led to recreating the way we work and rethinking how works get done and where it gets done. According to a recent survey conducted by Citrix Systems, 52% employees prefer hybrid models for work post-pandemic. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. More pharma companies should be allowed to make vaccines, says Gadkari. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has said that more pharmaceutical companies should be allowed to make COVID-19 vaccines in India to scale up production. Instead of one company, 10 more companies should be allowed to make vaccines by paying 10% royalty to the original patent holder of the vaccine, he said. All districts of India should be self-reliant for medical oxygen, he added. Hacker Group received $90 million in Bitcoin ransom payments. Hacker Group DarkSide, which was behind the cyber attack on US's Colonial Pipeline, has received over $90 million in Bitcoin ransom payments as per research from blockchain analytics firm Elliptic. The amount originated from 47 different wallets with an average payment of $1.9 million from organizations. DarkSide reportedly shut down its operations on May 13th and its Bitcoin wallet was emptied. London-based blockchain analytics firm Elliptic said it had identified the Bitcoin wallet used by DarkSide to collect ransom payments from its victims. Telecom companies are concerned over the controversial Indian 5G standard. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has directed the Cellular Operators Association of India to make a presentation detailing the pros and cons of the controversial Indian 5G standard, also known as 5GI, which the government has been pushing for. The move comes after serious differences emerged among telcos with regard to the technology's efficacy and implementation. Ransomware is getting dangerous with double encrypting your data. Ransomware is one of the biggest security problems on the internet and one of the biggest forms of cybercrime that organizations face today. Ransomware is a form of malicious software, that is malware, that encrypts files and documents on anything from a single PC all the way up to an entire network, including servers. Ransomware hackers are encrypting a victim's data twice at the same time. Google Phone app will have new caller ID feature. Google Phone app is finally getting the very basic caller ID feature that will announce caller's name and number for all upcoming calls. The company has been working on the feature for quite some time now, but it has now been rolled out to users on the stable version of the Google Phone app. The feature will help users know who is calling even if the phone is kept far away because of this caller ID announcement feature. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. Stay tuned. Thank you.